Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Niyama. Niyama is the second step in Ashtanga Yoga. Niyama means the observance to follow, the obligation to fulfill. In Niyama, the individual pays attention to the laws and customs of the society. The individual respects the duty and the commands of the society. Niyama is the moral duty of the individual to be discharged by him without any reservation. It is the social requirement to live in harmony in the society. Niyama trains and disciplines the individual to fulfill the personal needs and obligations. Niyama maintains health and happiness of the body and the mind. Both the body and the mind become clean and pure. Niyama increases the spiritual momentum. Practice of Niyama opens the heart to the full contentment without expecting any reward for this act or service. Niyama helps to look around without pride, prejudice or hatred. Cleans the mind of all impurities such as lust, ego, anger and greed. One has to practice Niyama by body, breath and emotion. This brings control of the senses, checks high-mindedness, develops firmness. Practice of Niyama is also by Kaya, Vacha and Manasa. Kaya, that is by body or deed, Vacha, that is by word, and Manasa, that is by thought. The practice of Niyama too is according to the Ashrama Dharma. At each stage of life, the individual has to observe Niyama according to that stage. Often one follows those Niyamas which do not belong to their ashrama of the individual. This may be due to misunderstanding by the individual or due to wrong advice. Generally speaking, everyone wishes and wants good benefits and good results, but no one is interested in performing good actions. Everyone does not wish or want bad things and bad results, but does the bad actions regularly. If the individual wants good feeling, good experience, good results, the individual should observe Niyama. The values of Niyama change according to the time. Seth Patanjali prescribes 5 Niyamas. They are Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas, Swadhyaya and Ishvara Pranidhana. Shaucha means cleanliness, purity. Santosha is a sign of happiness. Tapas is performing sadhana, penance and sacrifice. Swadhyaya means self-study. Ishvara Pranidhana means devotion to God. In Yama, you impose the restraints on yourself of your own accord. In Niyama, you practice the observance for the sake of keeping a good relationship with others.